This 2025 Primetime Tracer La 190RBSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Primetime is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, smoke detector, awning, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, skylight, water heater, oven, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Primetime Tracer La 190RBSLE is 4,058 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.